This video was filmed on an iPhone 5, so if you're gonna blame someone for the terrible quality, blame this person. So we all know how the iPhone 4 series is kinda like the symbol of my channel. It's basically the only iPhone I really enjoy opening up. It's also the easiest iPhone to open up. Swipe up the back panel, take it off, boom. You're inside already, you can change out the battery, you can repair what you need to, and boom, you're pretty much done. These phones are so easy to open and so easily customizable that it's basically considered like my favorite iPhone design ever, minus the iPhone 5, which is currently recording this video right now. I do have a silver iPhone 5, so that does make me happy. I think what really interests me about the iPhone 4 is mainly because when smartphones were really starting to take off, this was still kind of a new idea. In 2010, the iPhone has only been out for 3 years at that point. It already had this beautiful design on both the back and the front. Not only that, but if you wanted to swap out certain parts of the iPhone, you can just unscrew the device, slide up the back panel, and boom, you could put a custom panel on one of these phones. Now there is another iPhone design that I think is really cool, and that being the iPhone 8 Plus. Wow, glass on the back and the front again. Wow, totally not kinda same inspired by the iPhone 4 series. Whoa. The iPhone 8 Plus, design-wise, is actually super clean. It looks really nice. I know it has a giant bulky red case on it, but it's still a really smooth device on iOS 16. I know it's not getting iOS 17 or 18, but with 3 GB of RAM running iOS 16, it's still super smooth and still getting security updates to this day. I will say I really like the curved edges rather than the really blocky design that all the newer iPhones have. The iPhone 6s isn't that hard to open, you know? I mean, it's just a few screws. You have to maybe put a suction cup on it, pull on it, you know? And with that is my entire video shot on the iPhone 5. If you guys have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.